The first step is to mix your dried macaroni, your water, your ground mustard, and your butter in the inner pot. Next, you're going to place your lid on. Next step is you hit pressure cook and you set it for 5 minutes. This will cook it for 5 minutes when pressure is reached. Ensure that your nozzle is in the proper position. When putting this recipe together, it was important to me to use real cheeses and to avoid cream cheese. I manually release the pressure after the 5-minute cook time, and this is what the noodles look like. There's no need to drain any water. Whatever's in there, just leave. Comes my favorite part, dump in the cheese. I always start with the cheddar since there's most of that. Here comes the parmesan. And my favorite, the havarti. Since I'm not using a cream cheese or a Velveeta, adding the half cup of heavy cream is very important. At this point, you're just going to stir, 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 and allow the heat from the noodles to melt your cheese. I made this particular recipe an hour before we ate, and it stayed on the keep warm setting very well. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it. Thank you.